Purpose of this video is to explain the difference between the joystick and the handheld and the way they operate. And the reason I'm doing it is a person asked me how fast my handhelds were. So the best way to do it is actually show it. We're going to start with the joystick. And let me get a hold of this. It's not a one-handed thing usually. Alright, that's all the way to the right, so let's see how long it takes to go to the left. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. Basically around 4 seconds. Quickie count. And I'm going to do this part. You'll see a joystick reacts real quick this way. It jumps the heck out of the vehicle because it's got very abrupt stops. See the stops? That's because the motor solenoid and the regular solenoids are kicking off at the same time. Now, switch over here. Pardon my video going all over the place. I didn't set up a tripod. I'll switch to my handheld. Alright, turn it on. All the way right. Alright, now I'll count. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. So basically it's the same amount of time once in function, which is normal. You'll see if I let go, it's got a little bit softer because of the timing. But still, if I go left, right, it reacts just as quick as the joystick. Okay, that basically explains that they're pretty close to the same speed, except one's not as hard. And here's a picture of my board. Basically the difference between mine and the factory boards is I've got actual switches in mine that most people can change themselves if they ever go bad. The factory uses carbon pads underneath. They're rubber pads. There's little carbon contacts under it, and they wear out and break down, and when they get dirty they get fussy. So I changed to a sealed switch, and these are made in France. They're actually waterproof, so they're rubber. That's the switches I'm using. That's the basic difference between mine and theirs. And also I'm using transistors on mine instead of relays like the factory uses. Alright, if you got any questions, give me a shout. There's the email. Back out. Okay, have fun.